Ian here, reporting on TerraPro Painting Incorporated, a Diamond certified painting company serving residential and commercial clients throughout San Francisco and the surrounding areas. Our Diamond certified research shows that President Brian Layden and his team provide a wide range of interior and exterior painting services that help customers enhance their property value. In addition to painting all types of services, the company is qualified to power wash decks, replace windows, perform dry rot repairs, and more. Established in 1994, TerraPro Painting has built its reputation on careful preparation and attention to detail. Mr. Layden spent more than 2 decades gaining hands-on painting experience in Ireland before starting his own company, and he says thorough preparation is essential for any quality paint job. TerraPro Painting prioritizes quality during every step of the painting process. The company's technicians are trained to efficiently prime surfaces, apply finish coats with care, and address concerns quickly so customers feel confident in their work. That's our report on TerraPro Painting, where, as Mr. Layden says, the goal is to provide every client with high-quality, long-lasting painting services for the best possible value. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.